Yo, what's going on? So we're just seeing how the Londoners react to Filipino food today. We wanted them to try Filipino barbecue. So there's loads of people on the street. This is Rupert Street in Soho, and it's literally everyone comes down here to get their lunch, you know, have a little taste.
Yeah. Baby girl, you're so damn fine. Don't wanna know if I can hit it from behind. I'm sipping on you.
And today we're giving out free samples, so literally every time you come here they'll give you a little taste, try Filipino barbecue, and you can choose whether or not you want to try and whether or not you want to buy.
So here at Spoon and Rice on Rupert Street you can get barbecue chicken, barbecue pork and grilled aubergine. Mmm, saucy.
This is delicious. Oh
First
yeah.
time here.
Yo, what's going on? Big Mix Biggie Travels, and we're here today at Spoon and Rice.
This comes with rice, salad, or veg, and a lot of love. So
A lot of love,
always. I put my love on top, baby. Yeah.
Finally, you put my love on top.
As you can see, I know I'm here with my cousin Jason, and we're going to be putting some sauces on, so you can get like different types of barbecue sauces.
That's that one, baby, that's that Bibingka.
We've got sesame seeds here as well.
A little bit of a light sprinkling of that.
Shake, 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 shake that booty, bum bum bum, shake that booty.
Shake that ass for me.
Garlic, chili oil.
Shallots, baby, and
Yeah.
fried onions, you know what I mean?
On top.
Nice and crispy for
Grilled
that.
chicken and pork,
Okay.
So we were out here on these streets interviewing hundreds of people, so please hit that like button and click that subscribe.
This place is flourishing. There's so many people like lining up and queuing. They just all want to try Filipino food.
So hi madam, would you like to try?
Kung di ka ba handa, sa susunod na lang, sa susunod na lang. Ayaw ko na bibitin, kaya mabuti pang ako'y uuwi na lang, sa susunod.
How do you like it? How do you find that?
Oh, yeah, so much.
Very good.
Very good. What's your favorite?
So good.
Gonna have his first taste.
First taste.
Go on, Davis.
Let me dip it in the egg.
Yeah, a little dippy dippy.
Chicken.
How do you find Filipino foods?
This is my first time trying it today, it's great.
Oh, come on. Let's get it. Tasty.
Wow.
How do you find it?
Pretty good.
We're gonna have a taste test here. All the guys together. Can
Where
you
these
get us
guys
all in?
from? Lithuania, yeah?
Everyone.
That's good.
Yeah.
That's lovely.
Okay.
That's really nice.
I'm from Korea.
Oh, you're from Korea.
It's very tender and juicy.
Filipino food is so good it even makes motorbikers get off their bike just to try it. Yummy!
Hello, mate. What's your name?
Steve.
Nice to meet you, Stephen. And how do you find Filipino foods?
Great, I love it. It's fresh, it's clean, and it's tasty.
What Filipino foods have you tried before?
Lumpia, and I've had the noodles, and
Pancit.
yeah.
How do you know about Filipino foods?
I grew up in Australia.
This is
Australia!
A lot of Filipinos there. Actually, my sister's dating a half Filipino.
Okay. So yeah, hello. What's your name?
Hi, my name's Amy.
Hi, Amy. So how do you find Filipino foods?
I love Filipino food. I think it's really comforting. It's really like warming. I really like it.
And where are you from?
I'm from London, but my mum is from Cebu. Originally, Leyte.
Okay, so mestiza.
Do it again. Oh no.
One pork, one chicken.
Yes.
Yeah, have a little taste. Oh, what do you think about that?
It's a lot of food.
Oh yeah.
I'll be alright.
Triple combo. Spin around with your hair in the wind. Like, yeah. Look at it. Ah, she's got it. Yeah, have a little taste. How do you find it?
It tastes good.
You taste good, yeah? Yo guys, so we're here today with
JJ.
and you guys are trying some spoon and rice today, Filipino food.
Yeah, it looks fantastic. I mean, look at this egg. Look at all of this.
Damn.
So everyone was trying it and it looked so delicious, so we had to go and try. Drizzle, drizzle. Ooh, barbecue pork on point.
Cheers, guys. Enjoy it. Have a good day, man.
It's a variation, isn't it?
Right here is that adobo pork.
So we have a barbecue pork, we got the double pork, and we got the barbecue chicken, right?
So for us trying this food, this is about as authentic as it gets. It's just like it came off the street in Manila.
What's going on? Big Mix Biggie Travels. You know who it is. Filipino food connoisseur. So we're out here today on Rupert Street in Soho. And I decided I wanted to try some Filipino kind of barbecue. I'm missing it because on the Manila streets, you can get that anywhere. People just cook up and they're outside their house. this is readily available. But here in London, we can only get it in one place, and you know where it is. Spoon and rice, baby. Ang sarap. Yo guys, so a lot of you are from Philippines in the audience, so when I was in Philippines in Manila, you can often get pork barbecue on a stick for around like 13 to 15 pesos. Back in the day it was as little as 10 pesos and stuff like that, so it was relatively mura, quite cheap and delicious. Here in London everything's relative compared to where we live and how much we earn. So it's a bit more, but it's still a really good price for food, especially with this portion size. So we got a combo today, and I'm gonna try some barbecue chicken as well for you guys. Hello sir, what's your name?
Hi, I'm Jeff. So anyone knows me, Jeff Leong. We founded many restaurants in the heart of Chinatown, including Lunch Legend and Dumpling Legend. Because I know the Filipinos love barbecue, they love outdoor life. Most Chinese and Asians, they love indoor air conditioning. We should celebrate that, barbecue Filipino food, which will definitely propel into the conscience of the British public. Because the British love BBQ.
In Filipino, I want to teach you a word. If you like something and it's delicious, you say masarap. Masarap. Can you say masarap?
Masarap.
Masarap. Masarap.
Masarap.
Hey. So is this the first time you had Filipino food, Olu?
No, we've been here many times.
Many times, okay, returning customer. What do you think about Filipino food?
It's good, it's tasty, it has a lot of flavor.
Just amazing pork belly.
The chicken one.
The chicken one? Yeah. What about you, Maria? How do you find it?
Which one is better?
Yeah?
The first one.
You like the first one?
The first one.
Yeah,
This So you have a Filipino friend or something? How did you find out about this place?
Well, I just walked past here and, you know, I got some free samples. So I was like, you know.
Hell yeah.
Let me get some of this good chicken. This is a big piece, but.
Oh! Get in there. He's taking it all, he's taking it all. Go for it. Enjoy, bro. Do you know anything about the Philippines?
It's a beautiful part of the world, that's about it.
Hell yeah, you hear that, guys, you hear that. Do you know what the capital of Philippines is?
Is it Manila? Or?
Bing, bing, bing.
That's what I get, an extra egg.
Extra. Do you know the capital of Philippines?
I knew that, but I don't remember.
And which continent is Philippines in? Indonesia? No, Indonesia. 2, 1, go! Thank you for watching, everybody, and please hit that subscribe. Subscribe. Let me hear subscribe.
Like, comment, leave a thumb up.
Yeah.
Where am I going to end up?
High five.
High five.
You're gonna end up on Biggie Travels YouTube.
Who travels?
Biggie, that's me.
B-R-G-G-Y.
Yep. Biggie Travels.
Subscribe.
Yep. Ha ha!